According to YouTube's analytics, 89.2% of you guys are not subscribed. So what are you guys doing? Subscribe or eat your flowers. If you wear Brick Battler, you are the coolest man alive.
Exactly. Why
I'm
do you
wearing,
think I wear the brick metal suit?
I'm wearing Brick Battler right now. Alright, hey guys, today I'm 1v1ing Spats. This guy...
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
You better subscribe to him. Get him to 400 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah! If you don't subscribe to him, Spats will wake up and give you rich stuff.
If you have to Winkle, that's cool. You're cool.
Well, if you don't subscribe to him, he'll give you good stuff. That means people won't subscribe to me. They'll just wait.
He also
Yes.
he'll give you a cookie.
If you guys subscribe to Spats after this video, I will give you 1 Robux.
Or you get a cookie.
Spats, if
from his grandma.
Spats, tell me if someone subscribes to you from my channel, you tell me, and then tell them their Roblox username, and tell them to join my group, and I give them 1 Robux. The first person to subscribe.
John!
John!
He's throwing the game! Thank you.
Oh! Russians be like when they have a deagle. Bro,
Yeah.
Spec!
Mama or Joe Biden.
Shit! Spats, give me a sheesh. Spats, give me a sheesh.
Nah.
What?
I
If
feel
you
like
didn't
it.
move, bro, you would have died.
Gonna get an hour for the gravy train.
Awa.
Oh, God.
Oh, dream! Oh, dream!
Minus.
There's mesh right in front of it. Look, Spats, start shooting me. What?
There we go.
The mesh.
Guys,
The mesh.
I have
He's a
200 IQ.
Before that.
Spats,
Guys,
knife fight me.
I have
Spats, knife fight me.
Knife
I have
fight?
200
Okay.
IQ.
Yeah, bro. Let's do this. Bro, you're gonna
Alright.
get backside, my guy.
Yeah.
I have so much IQ, I can backstab Spats without him noticing me. Number 1. I'm right behind him, but he doesn't know.
Cap.
Really? Oh, is it? Oh, is it
welcome
really?
back to Factor Cap.
Is it? Oh, Spats. Oh, hey, Spats.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah,
doing
bro.
the thing.
You just got lucky last time.
Watch this. Watch this.
I beat him the first time. You actually did, but no way.
Bro, I thought I wouldn't hit that party.
But Panda,
I didn't
you
even
always
see
said
it.
it's a 360.
No, you're. Bro, he didn't even see it. So what's the point?
I saw it.
Stop bringing it back
You
here.
said-
Okay.
I believe
Party's
you.
in the jungle running in the air.
Wait, that's Marty doing that?
Yeah.
No, that's me.
Stop.
Ready,
I
guys?
have.
Ready?
No.
One sec.
No. Oh yeah, the drums, my guy.
Sick.
Yeah, my table.
Ow.
I might get a comeback. I might get a comeback. Get shot in the face.
No.
Dun, dun, dun.
If you do, you have to join my group. I'll give you 200 Robux.
You will?
Yeah.
Alright, headshot me. No, you didn't. You were supposed to headshot me. Where's my 200 Robux?
No, I'm saying if you win this, I'll give you 200 Robux.
Heck yeah.
Oh my god.
You can't understand English.
What's English?
English, bro.
Spets, stand right there where you are. I will
No.
headshot you.
No thanks, dude.
Oh my gosh, Spets knows where I am.
But did I ask?
Hello? Spets?
Is that Supra? Supra?
Whoa.
Yo, is that a Supra?
Wait,
A
Spets,
battle
if I
brick.
actually
Why?
win this part, Spets, will you actually give me 200 Robux?
Yeah, I'm not joking.
You really?
serious?
If you win this, I'll
That's
give you
Vince,
1 Robux.
don't lose.
Whoa, dude. Whoa.
That's a lot of Robux, my guy. You can combine that into 1,000,000 cheeseburgers.
I know, right?
I mean, it would just give me extra Robux, to be honest.
Alright, you ready, Spets? Gymnastics
Okay,
class,
wait,
go!
man.
3, 2, 1, go.
You were facing in front of me.
Imagine
Stress.
getting knife.
Oh, I thought you left the game.
this.
Go on your hardcore.
Nah. We just
Uh,
joined.
Yee!
Guys, who just joined?
You got copyright.
John, stop.
Okay, so no one's gonna answer my question?
Copyright.
Yes, the
Oh,
guy
wait,
named
wait,
Joe's
we
joined,
are
and
bad
he's a
guys.
long-time YouTuber. He has 1 million subscribers.
He's
Oh, does he
drinking.
now?
Panic got copyright. No. Panic
Why?
got copyright. But
Hold on, I'm telling this
Why?
guy. You better not kill me. Stop. 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 Stop.
he's moving.
He said, okay, Spec.
He's really-
I'm gonna give him
Bro,
5
Panic got
seconds.
copyright.
I'm gonna give him 1,
Oh, yeah, this video is kind of
2.
funny.
3. Okay.
Party to play a copyright song.
Stop.
Hey guys, am I copyrighted? I think I'm
Yes.
copyrighted. Copyrighted.
Yes. Yes, Sacco.
From this session.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait, Smith. We have the knife, right? We have the knife.
I guess. By your rules.
Let's go. Let me put the baby sign. Stop. Oh. Bro, there's no way I'm gonna backstab you. Alright, Spitz, let me give you your 1 Robux.